What I did was I created a test email based on the last email that was sent out. Once in that email, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to edit the design. When that opens on the left, I'm going to scroll down and find the first picture that I want to make a link to a website. I click on the left-hand side so that I can edit on the right-hand side. So on the right-hand side, I click on the first one, which is Visionary School of Arts. And you'll see when I click on it, it gets highlighted. And then up in the menu, I click the link icon. Doing that makes another window open up, and there I can put the web address. When you type a web address, make sure that it starts out with either HTTP or HTTPS. Then click on Advanced Options and make sure that there's a check mark in the Open in New window. You want to be sure that's in there. Then once you're sure of that, click Insert. Now I'm going to scroll down to the next picture that I want to have a link, and that's the patriotic salute. So I highlight that, I click the link icon, my new window comes up, I put in the address that I want the click to go to, click or tap. I hit on the advanced options just like before, make sure the check mark is there, and then I click Insert. So that is the procedure, and you just continue with that through the entire email. Whatever pictures you want to have a link, you're just going to scroll down. And here's the last one. Okay, once I've completed that, then I can save and close. And that will bring me back to the left side. But what if I want to add a picture, say, for the sermon? So I scroll up to where the sermon video link is, and I'm going to click in that box so I can edit on the right. I'm going to put an extra line before sermon video, and then I'm going to click on the picture icon. I'm going to upload a picture, and I saved one from the sermon video, and it's uploading, and now it's putting it in. Now I put the link to the YouTube video, and once again, I'm going to make sure there's a check mark in Open a New Window, then Save and Insert Image. Now the only problem is the image is way too big. You can only see half the image. So on the right, I double click on the picture. And when I do that, it brings up an edit window. I'm going to cancel out of the Insert or Edit link, and I'm going to change the width. Now notice there's a check mark in Keep Proportions. All right, I'm going to guess. I have no idea. So I'm going to put 700 as the width. You can see that the height automatically changed. I still open a new window, save and insert image. Now when I look at it, that picture looks much better, doesn't it? So when someone gets this email, they could click on that picture and go right to the YouTube. The only thing is, how do they know to do that? So I have to give them a little guidance. So once again, I'm going to edit on the right-hand side, and where the line says sermon video, I'm going to go to the end of that line, put an asterisk, and then I'm going to write click image or. And they can either click the image or they can click the link, save and close. Now I hit continue. We're up to the most important part now, and that's the testing. It's no good if we don't have good links or if we didn't do something correctly. So I'm going to click on the actual email where it says preview. And now I'm simply going to scroll down. I'm going to click on every image that I added a link. So there's the YouTube video. Notice that it opened in a different tab. I'm going to continue down. My next one was the Visionary School of Arts. That opened in a different tab. The next one was a patriotic salute. That also opened in a different tab. So far, everything is working exactly the way we want it. I'm going to check the last two, remembering our heroes. Yes, that works. And finally, the Warren Willis Camp. And yes, that works also. So everything worked exactly the way I wanted it. All the links, they opened. Now I can X out. I can either finish later, I can schedule, or I can send the email. It's as simple as that.